For this video, I will show you how to add a size chart on your Wix. First, go to your site. Then on the left sidebar, click on Catalog and choose Store Products. Now, select the product where you want to add a size chart into. Scroll down to the additional info sections and add an info section. For the title, type in size chart. For the description, add a table. Then, insert rows and columns depending on your size chart. For the headers, choose on first row and click on OK. Now you can type in the information of your size chart. Once done, click on OK. And as you can see, your size chart is now added to the info sections. Now click Save. After that, click on Edit Side on the lower left corner. Here, you can preview your size chart by clicking on the icon on the upper right corner. Scroll down until you see your product and click on it. Now, as you scroll down on the product info, click on Size Chart and you will see the size chart that you created earlier. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.